Origereria gunenjira moyo gosegeta aboroki wanyarakoba bakobeka umukia ase kisemi cyabo nigori tukolia lero abarokiwa abakoro kurwa se skuru ya Sameta wanyarakoba bako umerana ase skuru eyo asekerenga kyokwana amona aborokiwa bali bagendete amoni kisemi cyabo
nigo barwe segetene nego cya saborokiwa bo kubeka umukia sinonye nabo bali ira yogo cya kogendera kubasira asoko ene kyabuna babiri bagokore buya ase amasomabo igetamkiro nonya nabo kuokerwa no moroki munene gw'eskuru yo Daniel Mirambi uyobori aboroki wawo kubwatia ebitambukiro bya aboroki wa abakoro asenchire moyo wekonya ase amatukari busyo
muri kyoto Julie Kerubana nyarako wikirana ase skuru ina gutwarigana robotiro kubwatia
aboroki wa abakoro basomete ase skuru ya secondary y'abamura ya Sameta iyo gotoka ase sub county ya Sameta county ya Kisii nigo baumerana imeye skuru iyo asoko aboroki wa babono moyo bwogosoma.
We must come out from this school. It doesn't mark the end. The last year group is here today celebrating the achievement. Your time is coming. Their time came. Our time came. It is remaining that you are the one remaining in school uniform. You have got enough time to prepare very well and come back to this school. Say thank you. As the principal said, it's only one who came back. Let us always be that one always becoming.
Gaboroki wabo abakoro barechira cyabo iryo gakonya aboroki wa kubekumukia iryo gwekonya sobugima bwankyo boigona koenano ebyegwa ase abana bali bagokora buya.
Asking my colleagues, those ones who did not make it here today, those ones abroad, let's put our pledges so that those students can be able to complete their school and be able to take care of their families and also be able to have the life that all of you are enjoying outside there.
Work hard and you'll be rewarded. We are determined to make sure that once you perform, we will reward you. I wish to request the principal to consider the old boys to be part of the BOM.
If we have not learned something, I have learned two things. Some of them left this school 45 years ago. You subtract 1979, carry this 2024, you can see the difference.
Considered to be challenging by most students. So how well can we study them? One, set the objectives, note the content. Then break the content into small bits. If you have been taught a given subject on a particular day, please go through the notes that particular day.
No morokyo manene bweskuru yo Daniel Mirambi ni gaenekia asebali bago sponsor abana kwena nobugima obuya bwabosyo asaro yomo bwabana bali basomerete sponsorship.
Whoever takes you to a hotel has already taken your need that day. But whoever sponsors your education has given you a future. And by the way, I am a product of sponsorship. I would have been a Form 1 dropout. But somebody somewhere decided to sponsor me, decided to assist me.
Gomerambi akira boroki wabo abakorombiya mono asogo chabo igona goteya boroki wabo bale ororo kubwatia ebitambukero ebyo.
So if you assist these boys, we'll be so happy. We'll be so glad. Na nyinyi mkimaliza pia tafadhali murudishe mkono.
Of the unfathomable love of Sameta High School. We are aware, we are very busy, but because of the love of Sameta, you have come here. We want to thank you for your physical presence.
Ingoripoteri gitaseni kia Ndizi TV korwa se sub county ya Sameta county ya Kisii, editarian Julie Kerubo.